Let's take natural number, the first natural number 1, and multiply it with 1. So we get 1. And this number 1 that we obtained is, we can also write as 1 square. And multiply 2 with 2, and then you will get 4. And the number 4 can also be written as 2 square. So 4 is a square number, 1 is also a square number. Look, 3 into 3, similarly we go on and we get 9, and this number is can be written as 3 square. So 9 is also a square number. Take another example, 4 into 4. Like this we go on 16. So you can say 16 is another square number, that is the square of 4. Let's write in the same manner the first 10 perfect squares. So 25, which is 5 square. And we go on writing 6 into 6 will be 36. That is 6 squared. 7 into 7, which is 49, and that is can also be written as 7 square. We can also say 8 into 8. 8 into 8 would be 64, which is 8 square. And continuing like this, we can also say 9 into 9 is 81. That is square of 9, 9 square. And finally, 10 into 10 will give you 100, which is can also be written as 10 square. Likewise, you can continue and write squares of say 20, 30 numbers, and see the observation, what you get here. Write all these numbers 1, 4, 9, 16. What are the numbers here? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 64, 81, and 100. How many of these? So if you take from 1 to 100, and you see that there are actually only 10 square number or 10 perfect square number. That means other number are not perfect square. Let's see one thing here about these perfect square. Look, if the units digit of the number is 1, you know, its square also has unit digit as 1. So these are the units digit of the square number. You look like it's 1 here, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. That means for perfect square, a number to be a perfect square, a units digit should be any one of these digits. But we cannot find any of these numbers ending in digits 2, 3, 7, and 8. None of the square number ends in these digits. Means units digit of the square number can never end in 2, 3, 7, and 8. Based on this, suppose we ask you a question. Okay, there is a number 1, 5, 6, 2, 5, 8. Is this a perfect square? Well, you see the units digit is 8, so you don't need to do any calculation. You straightway say this is not a perfect square. Or if the units digit of the number is 2, 3, 7, or 8, it is not a perfect square.